Okay, so you guys know that I like retail stores that offer prepping goods, prepping supplies, stuff like that. So I actually came across something, a pantry, that apparently I think they sell emergency freeze-dried food. So I'm gonna go inside and check it out.
I
All
have
right,
a little
guys.
bit of everything for everyone, but the only thing I don't sell is guns.
Yeah, man, talk about prepping supplies. I'm shocked to see this.
Yeah, well, Aftershock Preparedness is our family company. We manufacture in the back of the. That's what we do for that.
Oh, so okay, so you manufacture. Okay, and this is your retail store.
Yeah, we
So
had all this extra space, and I've dealt a lot when I lived in Iowa with the Amish, so having bulk food store close around here didn't feel like there was anybody who has one. So
yeah,
we offer a lot of wild game meats in one of our freezers. We have some cheese. We don't have any baked goods or sliced meat, but we offer a large variety of bulk goods, a lot of spices, and I have my ammo, my outdoor supplies, medical supplies. There's a little bit of everything.
cool. Flares.
Yes, sir. We do have hand flares.
So if somebody's looking at this online, they can just order from your website, can't they?
Some of the stuff is on my website,
Yeah.
like the ponchos, things like that, but not everything is on the Aftershock website.
So what can they mostly get online?
Online, it's mostly food. Any of the flares. Actually, I don't think we sell flares online. We do sell some of the medical stuff online. We sell. Actually, they have been adding more stuff. I don't want to tell you something on there that's not on there.
So what's the website?
AftershockPreparedness.com.
Aftershock. Preparedness.com. Okay. Oh,
But again, I don't know if they were going to put everything online just because of shipping costs and stuff. Like, it would just take too much for our web guide inventory, everything we have in here.
yeah, I totally get that. I'm gonna look around. These are ammo cans,
Yeah, like things like the ammo cans wouldn't be on the website. Like I
but
said, I think mostly right now it's just the food, and we offer a lot of medical supplies or like water, like the life straws, things like that on the website.
okay. This is stuff I'm always encouraging people to get.
Oh
The
yeah,
first aid type of stuff, and there's some emergency water bags.
we pretty much have anything stop the bleed in stock.
Yeah, stop the bleed. That's something I want to get today. I always encourage people to get scissors
Yes,
for their emergency.
no,
It's a military.
on skin glue, but we have some skin glue coming in. I want to say at the beginning of December. I get a lot of my medical supplies out of Louisville.
Okay. Chest seals. That's another thing I would recommend people get for their pack. The chest seal.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some trifold packs in here so people can kind of like build their own IFAC for the cars. You know, I'm from Iowa, so I'm used to having an EMT every fourth block.
Hmm.
Now here, I try to tell people like they're fast, but you could be 10 minutes before someone's on scene.
Man, this is awesome. What is that? It looks like a mine.
Top,
Yeah.
that has that's some of the replica grenades from
Okay.
the 60s and 70s. They were training grenades. I think that's the German grenade kit.
Okay, cool. Lanterns. Something I recommend people have next to their bed, or at least in their home. I mean, in their cars as well. Huh. Check that out. Heavy duty tarps. That's something I would. Huh. Books. Who's this author?
I'm not from this. My mom has been doing this about 18 years, and I'm pretty sure
Hamlet.
it's someone she's met at one of the shows. When COVID hit, we stopped doing a lot of shows, and a lot of guys during that time stopped doing shows too. But they wanted to know if they could put a lot of stuff in the store. So we have some friends from across the country who put stuff in there. I'm just pretty sure it's a friend of hers.
MREs. Okay.
Yeah, I do have a closeout on all the singles.
So how long can we expect these to last? About 5 years, or?
Those I got those beginning of the year, so about 3.5 years on the singles, the regular ones.
I'm gonna get some today. Stock pot. This is awesome, man. You can get a lot of this freezer-ized stuff online. Oh, there's the buckets. Dude, I can't believe we have something like this in Allen, Kentucky, right next to Pikeville. Allen, Kentucky, they have a lot of, especially Prestonsburg in that area, they have a lot of good gun stores good items like that around. So anyway, guys, I wanted to show you the store. Look around, because a lot of times there's manufacturers and there's entities in your community you don't even know about. Man, this is awesome. Oatmeal. Nice. Plenty of flour. All right, guys. Take a look at that.
Yeah, the top one is just harvesting kit.
Yeah.
Mine.
Okay, these are Navy
biscuits.
biscuits. Okay. I have no idea what this is.
They have like some of them can come in seafood flavor. It's just an all-purpose kind of biscuit you can use for anything, whether it's dipping or putting like your meal on top of it.
Oh, okay.
But they're not bad, and you can take these home with you.
Huh. I like to dip them in cheese or something.
Right. And again, we're pretty open with it. Like, even if you're not buying them from me, like I said, you can find Navy biscuits. It's a great thing to have.
Eggs. There's something I definitely scrambled eggs.
Yeah, eggs. I just don't have too many of them. That's about all the eggs I have in stock. Eggs are just really hard to get.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Nature's Pantry Foods on Facebook.
Yeah.
And on Mondays we're closed, but we always post stuff that we get on trucks on Mondays, usually on Facebook, if we get anything new.
Okay. Cool. Well, this is what I got for today, guys. All right. Thank you so much.
You enjoy your weekend.
All right. You too. All right. All right. Want to see what I got? Well, got some of those Navy biscuits. Also picked up some garlic mashed potatoes. Comes with the instructions. A lot of scrambled eggs. Really important thing for me. I love scrambled eggs. More scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Hash brown. Ooh. Let's see what else. Macaroni. Stuff lasts for years. They'll store for years. Mashed potatoes. Now this is really important. If you want some type of milk option, dried milk option, you're gonna need that for the mashed potatoes and some other items too. So, something to keep in mind. By the way, this store is right off of US 23. As you're going north from Pikeville towards Prestonsburg, just in Allen, Kentucky, just make a right off of US 23 and you're right here. This is awesome. Hope you enjoy this. So I know I'm happy about this. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Don't forget the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.